Hello everyone, this is Sushant Gaonkar, iconic career mentor, best-selling author and recipient of India's top career counselor award. In my iconic career talk show series, I invite professionals who have embarked on this journey of building an iconic career. My guest today is Sarika Arwel. She is a project management and operations leader in the CSR, corporate social responsibility sector. So I take this opportunity to talk to Sarika, and Sarika, now it's all yours. Please introduce yourself. Tell me more about what you do.
Yeah. Hello, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarika. I'm a CSR Program Leader. So my job profile includes that I help NGOs, corporates, individuals to strategize their CSR projects in social sector. I monitor their projects, monitor the outcomes of the project, and assist them in disbursing fund to various projects in health, education, community development, skill development. So yes,
Wonderful.
and apart from that, yeah.
So your role is very critical to operationalizing a CSR initiative, right? So because you are responsible for
Yes.
Planning, delivery, execution. So you're responsible, correct?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful.